Hi, Simon here from AMZ Guardian. Today we will be going over one of our modules for Amazon PPC. This module is part of a wider series on how to create and manage Amazon ads as part of our marketing agency's internal standard operating procedures. And you might be wondering why I'm giving away this information for free. And the reason why I'm giving away this information is because I hope that you use it and that you see that it works and grow your business to 7 figures or more. And in doing so, I hope to earn your trust enough so that you would consider working with us. We also give away this information because we typically only work with companies that make over $1 million in revenue per year, simply because these are the type of companies that I feel we can help the most. And I hope that by using this content, you grow your Amazon business to 7 figures. And once you are too busy to do your own PPC, you trust us enough to allow us to help you grow your business for you. So I hope you enjoy this content, and let's jump into it. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the world of keyword research and how to master it using a step-by-step process. Keyword research is essential for optimizing your online presence and driving targeted traffic to your Amazon listing. And one of the most effective tools for this task is Merchant Words. It's important to mention that we are not affiliated and do not get any commission from them. We just use the tool because we find it useful. Merchant Words data comes from the Amazon autocomplete search bar with quick suggest keywords for products that shoppers are buying or looking to purchase, and it provides search volume. So to begin, you must make sure you already have your highly relevant root keywords ready. What are root keywords? These are terms usually made up of 1 or 2 words that really describe what your product actually is. So for example, if your product is a jump rope for CrossFit, then the root would be jump rope. Now that we have this basic covered, let's head over to the Merchant Words website. Once logged in, input your highly relevant root keywords one at a time into the search engine. Try using 3 to 4 different main root keyword phrases to maximize your results. The results will appear, and here's where the magic happens. Start sifting through each keyword to pick out the more highly relevant ones. I recommend clicking the first plus button to select all phrases and then deselecting any irrelevant ones. Once you're satisfied with your selections, create a collection to organize your keywords for easy access. You can pick phrases from 2 to 3 pages per highly relevant keyword. When you're done selecting keywords, head over to Collections and download your list as a CSV file. Once downloaded, read through each keyword and label them as high, mid, or not relevant based on their relevance to your product. Highly relevant keywords speak directly to the buyer's intent, so make sure to examine each one carefully. We do this because we want to use different bidding strategies for each relevancy level. High relevance would always be a higher and more aggressive bid. Now that you have your list, you can use it as is or take it to the next level and paste it into your master keyword Google Sheet, where we will combine and deduplicate all data from all the different keyword research tools and lists to create a full and comprehensive list. Remember, one tool never has all the keywords. And this video is a part of a wider keyword research series. And so make sure to watch the next video on how to combine all the data into a master Google Sheet. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to mastering keyword research using Google Sheets and Merchant Words. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy keyword hunting.